Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I'm going to go to Postojna Cave and the castle here in Slovenia. So Postojna is another place, another city here in Slovenia. So now I am going to the central station of the bus where I can take ride going to Postojna. So I'm in the downtown here in Ljubljana, near to Intercontinental Hotel. Right there in the corner is Intercontinental Hotel. So guys, I'm walking, going to the terminal station, Flixbus, Ljubljana. So I will buy a ticket there. I don't know how it works, but we'll see how to do this. The cost of the ticket of the bus going to Postojna is like 5.30 cents. 5.30 euro. Flixbus, Torino. This bus going to Torino, Italy. Zornigrad, Ljubljana. So I must go to the station to buy a ticket. That's the bus company that I read about going there. Arriba. Arriba is the name of the bus company. So Flixbus is different. That's going to another country here in Europe, like that Krakow Budapest. '64 Ljubljana, Mingis, Bernik. So I don't know. Auto bus. I don't know where to buy ticket. Oh, let's see. Ticket office. So we'll buy the ticket right there. Ticket Ljubljana, Blagini ticket office. So I will buy there. So here, so this is the office. So let's check student, inland tickets, international tickets. So inland means it's only here in Slovenia. So I will buy here. Hopefully I'm right. Mistake. So this station, this office is only to buy a ticket if you are going to take a train. So I have to go outside. There is a place where we can buy the ticket of the bus. So in the middle of the street there are ticket to buy. This place. So I think this one, Playania office. Office. So here, Playania ticket office. Sorry. Playania ticket office, cash only. So let me check here because Bayania ticket office, cash only. So I will take this line. €3. So it's written there. Got the ticket, it cost €5.30. So the number of the bus station is number 13, Pustoyna Jama. So this is direct going to the Cape. This is the central station, train station here in Slovenia, Ljubljana. This is the entrance. Nice structure. But this is not only station, they have restaurants also here. Labachi, Sigel. Guys, that place, guys, in the corner is the place where to buy the ticket of the bus, and these are the station number of the bus. It's written there where you're going until there to the another station. So I'm waiting for the bus here, number 13. That's my lucky number for today. Hope it's lucky. Very lucky. We started to living here.
Thank you.
This is the place where you can buy the ticket. Ljubljana bus station. Going to the Pustoyna Cave. This is very near to the Intercontinental Hotel.
If you want, you can sit here or here. I love you. If it is sunny. Love you.
This is really in the old town.
It's too sunny.
You see there, Grand Plaza and Intercontinental Hotel. So we are leaving from the city. Approaching Pustoyna.
Next stop, Callum Scott.
Dice que la camiseta de Europa, yo no sé si es así, porque las de Polonia son pobres.